Alright guys, welcome back to another recap. Today is September 30th, 2024. We had another profitable day to start the week. As you can see here, we took 3 trades. Started off with 2 wins and then a loss, so we ended off on the loss. The only other trade I would have taken after that was a losing trade, so I'm glad I stopped. But it was overall a pretty good day. I'm happy with the performance. Um, I was using a new desktop application to trade. So my first trade I did not get on video because I usually start it right after I enter the trade just to save space on my computer. But for some reason my stop loss and TP were not there, so I did not want to be messing with OBS and all that um, with no stop loss and no take profit. Luckily it was a win, and as you can see, we did take it for a little bit more than 10 points there, which is always a good thing. But I will show you that after the other 2 trades that I have live. So let's get right into the first trade.
Order filled.
See a little push lower here.
Order filled.
Oh, 10 points. Alright, so as you can see, that was our first trade, winning trade for $200. Let's get straight into the next trade, which is only a few minutes later. Alright, see how she goes.
Order filled.
Okay. We might get stopped out on this. No, you may come down.
Order
There we're up.
filled.
Alright, so now that you've seen those 2 trades, which are right here, this was the first trade, caught it basically straight to the bottom there. This is the second trade, which you can see went exactly the opposite way. Usually on these high day, low day breaks, I can tell right away if we're gonna get filled, and go lower or higher, obviously. And you could hear me right away once I saw this candle coming back up. I was pretty sure that we were gonna get stopped out there. Which is okay, it happens. I found that most of the times Mondays and Fridays are the worst days to trade high day, low day breaks, and actually all the other 3 days are 100% so far with them. But that's okay. We're still going to trade them anyways because they are still profitable. So then this was our first trade. Pretty typical here. We did get a really high fill, which kind of helped us out a little bit, but you can see our 3 candles coming up. And then we came down and had just over, we had 11.5 points here. Usually it's 10, but we'll take the little extra there. And I'm actually working on holding these past 10 points, working on adjusting my strategy for that. But as you can see, both this candle, which if I pull up my records real quick, actually, I believe that's an 8-point stop right there. Yeah, 8-point stop right there. This other one was This one right here was a 4.25 stop. So not too bad. So you can see we would have been risking about a 1 to 2, and then a little over a 1 to 1. Um, Obviously this one doesn't apply. And then we did have one more trade that we could have taken right after 9:30, which was right here. You can see we had this big push up, our 3 candles down. Could have taken it right here. I was already off the charts by then. And you can see we would have got stopped out whether we had it here or not. If we had had it here, it would have been just under a 3-point loss. So if we would have taken all 3 trades, and we would have counted both of them at 10, we would have had about, what is that, 7.25. We would have had 20 points of profit minus 12.75. We would have 7.25. So it would have been a little less, but that's okay. So those are all 3 of the trades that I took, plus the one that I didn't for the day. Pretty simple day, pretty short video today. I will be trading live again tomorrow. My morning class got canceled. Lots of tests this week, so I will not be trading Thursday. I will be trading Wednesday, and I should be trading Friday, depending on how much I'm up for the week. But yeah, that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys liked it.